Hi everyone, this is Ravi here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Programming School. I am making this video for people who are interested in data science and Python. Please feel free to comment, like, subscribe My Programming School. First of all, what is data? Data are information, usually numerical data collected through observation. In a more technical sense, data is a set of value. Data is a set of data general concept refer to the fact that some exacting information of knowledge is represented of code in some form of suitable for better use of processing. Data is an information processed or stored by a computer. This information may be in a form of text, documents, image, audio clip, software program, other types of data. Okay. Data science. Data science is a interdisciplinary field that uses scientific method, process, algorithm, and system to extract knowledge and insight from many structures and unstructured data. Data science is related to data mine, machine learning, and big data. Okay, everyone, next. Data science generally has a five-stage life cycles that consist of capture, data acquisitions, data entry, signal representations, data abstractions. Second, maintain, data warehousing, data cleanings, data staging, data process, data architecture. Process, data mining, clustering, classification, data modeling, data summarizations. Fourth one, communicate, data reporting, data visualization, business intelligence, decision making. Fifth one is analyze, exploratories, predictive analysis, regression, text mining, analysis. Next, data science is used. Recommendation system. Recommender system or recommendation system is a subclass of information filtering system that seek to predict the rating or preferences a user could give to them. Second, financial risk management. Data science has become very important in the financial industry, which is mostly used for better risk management and risk analysis. Better analysis leads to better decision, which leads to increase in profit for financial institution. Third one, improvement in healthcare service. Data science is the science of art of generating data-driven solution through comprehension of complex real-world health problem, employ critical things and analytic to drive knowledge, big data. Data science work in healthcare. One of the most effectively used data science in healthcare. In medical imaging, computer can learn to X-ray, MRI, another types of image pattern in data, detect and more. Fourth one, computer vision. In simple word, computer vision is a discipline under a broad area. Artificial intelligence which teaches machine to see. Its goal is to extract meaningful for pixels for the biological science point of view. This aim are to come up with computations model of human visual system. Okay. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thank you.